Greens 1-0, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be trying the O-Meals Southwest style chicken. First time I've ever had this. One serving, 270 calories. Found these at Fred Meyer, a store I've talked about before. You know, if you have stores that have camping sections, highly recommend you swing by and check your camping section for sales, because this guy was only $5.50, which are regularly like $9. So, oh wow, you get a spoon. I didn't know it came with a spoon because I've never eaten these before. I believe I've seen a video. So here's the pouch. And then here's the heating element. It's nice that it comes with its own heating element. So this whole thing was only 8 ounces, it said. Insert the food pouch, okay. And then add 3 to 5 ounces of water, okay. Drop it on the ground, which is not in the instructions, but I'm sure it tastes better when you do that. It says add water and then add the heating pouch. Let steam and heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully remove. Oh wow, so it only takes 5 minutes to heat the food up. That's not bad. Looks like there's a little hot steam, if the camera will focus. At the top here, it looks like there's, lets the steam out. Come on, camera. It's got a convenient fill line on the front. So, it'd be nice if they'd put a little clear section, so where the fill line is. That would have been really nice. So tear here to open. Here it is. Kind of looks like a one of those hot hands. Get this in here. Not feeling any heat at all yet. Maybe it takes a minute. We'll set that down, let it do its thing. If need be, I can heat it up on I actually brought a Trangia set, which I just realized I don't need because it came with its own pouch. Oh, I think I hear something. Yeah, it's starting to fill up, so that's cool. Yeah, it's definitely doing its thing. Great, 3 to 5 minutes. I can get the camera on that. And for a moment there was a lot of steam coming out of that. That's pretty cool. Of course, I'll pack up all my trash because that's what I do. I don't think I'm going to use the plastic fork. I actually brought my own fork, or a spoon, excuse me. Just got to figure out what I did with it. There's that. Hope you guys can hear that. You can probably see the steam coming off. I hope it's good. It's my first time having it, so I got this and one other one. So unfortunately they're not on sale anymore, so I'll have to wait till they come back on sale, but I like that everything is contained in one bag. You even get a spoon and looks like some salt and pepper and a napkin too. It's not too shabby. Let's see if the taste holds up though. And you can, because it's a zip top bag, you can just put everything back in the bag and carry it out with you. Oh, I think it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, but if you can tell, the thing is still steaming. It's hot too, like, ow. Ooh, it's really hot. I wonder if it's ready to go. So, yeah, if you're cooking this for yourself, be forewarned, the thing gets pretty toasty. On the other hand, you know, that's kind of all you get for food, so. Let's, excuse the camera. Oh, come on. Damn camera. What damn tripod. Alright, let's give this guy a try. It feels hot. I'm a little hungry too, and I'm impatient. Doesn't smell bad. That's what she looks like. If the camera will focus. Maybe not. Thanks, camera. You know, it's not bad. It has a nice flavor. It almost has that MRE flavor, if you know what I mean. Not that that's bad. I will say this though. Knowing what I know now, what I would have brought with me was some of those street taco flour tortillas, and maybe some shredded cheese. I totally would have made chicken tacos out of this if I'd known. The bite on the bottom was pretty hot. If you can see that, in just that 3 minutes, I mean, I've almost eaten the whole thing. So it's not a ton of food, but it does taste good. I would definitely eat that again. But like I said, I would bring some tortillas and some shredded cheese, and I would have made chicken tacos with it. That would have been money. Or maybe some flour, like corn tortillas. I guess you can bring corn chips too. Give it that little crunch element. And just that a little bit, and it's already empty. So, I mean, there's like a little bit on the bottom, but I'm not going to dig around for it. Overall, I would say that was actually a good meal. Ow. What was the thing, the heat thing? Man, that thing gets hot, hot. It's still hot. You know, if you had eaten this on a cold day, like a really cold day, you could probably just use the outside of the bag as a hand warmer. So I think my only complaint is there really isn't a whole lot of food in here. But I mean, I'm also fat and I eat a pretty big meal, so you know, take it for what it's worth. But like I said, if you paired it with some, I thought I saw something behind me. If you paired it with something like tortilla shells or something else like that, maybe some cheese, I mean, that would be money. And actually, or you know, if you pour it over chips, you could put lay down a plate of chips and then put cheese on it. You could probably make some pretty decent chicken nachos with this. All I would have done is when I opened the pouch, just add a little boiling water just to make it a little bit thinner and then spread it on the chips. So, alright, that is the O'Meals Southwest style chicken with rice. Pretty tasty. Would get again. I would definitely add something to it, unless you're not a big eater, but I am, so. Yeah, one more of these to try, and then, yeah. As always, thanks for watching, and wow, 6 minutes. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And I would try these. They're good. Alright, peace out.